What's going on, YouTube? What's cracking, YouTube? I'm gonna take you guys on a little ride with me, and I figured we'd have some fun today. We're gonna do something different. I'm going to turn on the radio, randomly flip to a station. I don't know what it is, and I'm gonna try my best to sing whatever is on the radio station, like as if I was the person performing it. I gotta sing it loud, and I'm gonna just try my best, even if I don't know the words. And we'll see how this goes. Oh God, this is gonna be bad. All right, here we go. First song. Okay, goodbye. I know this one. She was a sex machine! Stop What's next? I taught you how to live out on the street, and now you're gonna have to get used to it. How does it feel? To be out on with no direction home. I'm complete unknown. Okay, this is actually really harder than I thought it was gonna be. Dang it. I don't think it's recording. Okay, where were we? Radio Roulette. Here we go. Alright. Oh, come on. That guy was looking at me like I was crazy. This life ain't good enough. I would give my world to lift you up. I would change my life to better suit your mood. 'Cause you're so smooth. It is just like the ocean. I know that move. It's the same as the emotion that'll get home you. You gotta count the neck and be so true. Give me your heart, make me read it, or else forget about it.
Do me a favor, when you're out shopping and out and about talking to store owners, let them know what station you're listening to.
Okay.
The station with the most music.
I'm not doing this so good. Alright guys, rolling into my driveway right now. That was fun. Okay, thank you for coming along with me on that little joyous ride. Hope that your ears aren't bleeding right now. Anyways, I want to call out a couple people to do the Radio Roulette Challenge. I want to call out my man Shaun Austin. I want you to do it. And I want ThisIsUs Daily. I want you guys to do the radio challenge. Just pick a random station and sing it like you know it. Okay? Okay! Peace! I hope you guys like the Radio Roulette Challenge. I'm going to do more of it in the future. Probably going to do it like once a month. I don't know. Because I do it anyways. I just sing in my car like an idiot. Alright. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Send some comments. Tell me what you thought with my sweet voice. Share it with your friends on Facebook. Wherever this channel is reaching for the stars. Okay. See you guys.